How to remove a gray background from scanned images with Raster Image Printer 12. Sometimes when you scan things such as books or receipts, the background of the image has a gray cast. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer, or PDF Image Printer, you can use version 12 of Peernet's image printers to clean up these scanned images. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile Color Optimized TIFF because I still want to create a color multi-page TIFF image. I just want to adjust the page brightness settings. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it a Demo Profile and will add 4 gray scans to the description. Go to the Page Editing tab and scroll down to the Adjust Page Brightness section. This tool allows you to lighten or darken an image to improve readability. In our case, we want to brighten the gray background. Enable Lighten or darken each page with the following settings. For the first scale, drag the marker all the way to lighten. For the second scale, set the intensity range you want to apply the lightening to. We just want the gray shades to be lightened. All shades between these two markers will now be lightened. This may be too much lightening for your image. Full lightening is the equivalent of telling your image printer to replace any of the gray shades between the two markers with pure white. You will need to test your images to determine the degree of lightening you desire. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this new profile the default profile used by the image printer, select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the profile and select your new profile as the default. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. And now when you print a gray scan to your image printer, the gray shades in the background will be lightened to white. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.